guns to us. I'm gonna be out.
Y'all go ahead that way.
I'll punch you. Do this.
I love you.
I love you too.
Badass kids. Well, we out here at the nature center. Me and my boys. Enjoying nature. Spending time with my boys. That's the best gift in the world. That's what you don't know. They grow up so damn fast. 10 more years, this one in front of me ain't gonna want to hang out. He'll be 17. This one in front of him will be grown. What the fuck? Hold on, y'all. We ain't never been in. Batman, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Wait. Come over here. Because if you tumble down there, I'm going to have to kill whoever made this shit. I'm going to find them if they dead already and dig them up. There go some ducks over there.
Push you. Oh. I'll push the marker down there. Oh, don't do that. Because you're mean to me.
No, don't push nobody down there. That's evil. Love each other. DeMarche, come back this way. Both of y'all. I don't want to take the risk.
Let's go back.
I don't want to take that risk. Yeah, let's go back this way. Shit.
Yeah, let's go a different way. I think we should go back inside now.
You could go inside. Well, we ain't not finna leave yet. We just got here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Dad, you gotta see the boy, I think you already saw it, but
So what?
they have like Indian stuff. Well, not Indian stuff, but they have like bones, like buffalo bones.
Buffalo bones.
Yeah, buffalo skull.
Do they taste better than ribs?
I don't know, but I think they do, because it's more rich. Probably.
It's more rich.
It's maybe more rich, because it's a buffalo.
They're going to be the new trend. Instead of eating pork ribs, we're going to start eating buffalo ribs.
It sound better too. Buffalo ribs.
Sound more beefy.
Yeah.
Let me get a plate of barbecue buffalo ribs.
Yeah, that sounds good. The buffalo sauce on it.
That man want some buffalo ribs? No.
Some buffalo sauce on it? No.
You want your pop?
No. Oh yeah, let me get mine. Which one is it?
The one that's not got the paper tore up. Yeah, that's yours. Yep, that's the right way. To the YouTube fans out there watching this, we're in Austin, Minnesota, at this place called the Nature Center. This place been here for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. And we just the next ones to explore it. Nature. Nature, nature.
This over here too. Like, just look at life. It's called Nature Center because it's about the nature.
Yeah, y'all ever think dinosaurs roamed this part of the world at some point?
Just face them that way. Face them that way. Doesn't it look like just life? Like,
yeah.
This is one of the places where you can get, like, you can chill, get your mind clear. Oh, no, we have to go through Moses.
Free your mind, and the rest will follow. Don't be colorblind. Don't be so shadow.
What's back in there? Wait, hold on.
What you see?
Is there blue right there? I don't know, what is that?
Because these people was here. They spray paint so they could know what area they was in. The Nature Center. All my years in this town, I never walked this way. Look at the water. Is that a week? No, never mind. You don't gotta rush, man. We got nothing but time. I'm trying to enjoy this time.
Alright, no, get the seat. We're not gonna be seating him on this, so we gotta enjoy it.
But you know what? Like I told y'all before, I'm gonna do everything in my power to get us all back together again. And that's a promise. Are you dunking now?
I dunk on air.
So you're an air dunker. You know Michael Jordan name used to be Air Jordan.
Yeah,
Yeah, because he used to hang, when he used to jump in the air, he'd hang in the air so long. Nature.
We can only see birds here, and we don't see other things. Okay, what is that green stuff?
You gotta love it.
That's not poison.
Much needed time with the kids, because honestly, I've been going fucking crazy. But that's another story. But today it's not about me. It's about them two right there. What you see, a leprechaun?
Oh, look at that.
Look at what?
Spiderweb.
Oh shit, yeah.
Where's the spider?
I don't know. Behind you.
I guess it's...
You better be careful what you picking up, man.
What's this? What?
You might pick up the wrong thing.
Wait. What's wait, where's me?
Shit, I don't remember.
This way? No, this way. No, we went straight.
Yeah, we're gonna get back to the part we familiar with.
Yeah.
So, I got a question.
Oh.
Not you, fat man. You probably don't know yet. You ain't made it that far. But you, I'm pretty sure y'all talked about it in school.
What?
Do you think the world is round or flat?
I think it's flat because listen. Most people won't agree with me, but listen. So you see these trees, right? They're up. The world is flat.
The world is flat?
The world is flat because these trees grow.
Okay, what about the globe? The globe, if you look at the globe, is round.
Yeah.
If you ever look at pictures of space, everything is round. Everything is round.
But listen.
But also, again, that's what they just tell us. We don't know that for sure.
Because listen, these trees grow. They don't just appear. They grow. And see all this?
Gravel, rocks.
Gravel, yeah, all that. They have to form. They form from like dirt. It's the cycle, you know? And so, oh, look at that tree.
He got a bump on his head. Hey, wait, hold on, we gotta get this. This is what a tree look like when it's pregnant. This tree got knocked up by another tree. Now she got a bum bump. I got a bum bump.
Look on the other side.
I bet that baby gonna look just like his daddy.
That's another one. That's his butt.
Yeah, that's how she got pregnant. He inserted his tree trunk right there.
Hey,
And then that's what came out of it. It's a funny looking ass tree.
Okay. Let's finish this globe thing. Okay, so like I said, these trees grow, and so all this stuff forms like the cycle. So the Earth is technically fat because
Flat or fat?
you know what I mean.
It's fat too.
It's flat.
It's a
because
flat world.
the whole world is flat.
So you think it's
So-
flat?
Yes, I think it's flat.
I'm gonna have to send this video to NASA so they can see what you saying. They might have some words for you. Hold on, I gotta pull my sock up.
The reason I think it's flat because when you walk, it's just flat. It's flat. Look. But other stuff above the world.
An acorn?
But other stuff above the world, like water. That water is not ground. At the Earth's surface, all the way down, there's sand. Which I don't know that yet, but there's probably sand. And when that sand forms,
You got a young NASA kid here.
it might turn into rocks.
All right, YouTube world.
Wait, I have to tell you something.
What you got to tell me?
When you dig a hole all the way down, there's gonna be lava.
You all right? You got to get to the core of the earth.
Magma.
All right, YouTube world. That concludes this for today. Subscribe, comment, like. Talk to y'all later.